So you may have just picked up your Backbone 1 controller, and you might be trying to figure out exactly how to use it. Now luckily for you, these are very easy types of consoles, the gaming handheld like controllers to really understand. The way it works is it connects to your phone, but it's also its own standalone type of controller. So the way it works is you have your standard trigger buttons at the very top, you have your joysticks, you have your dedicated buttons right here. Now at the bottom, you have a headphone jack on one side, which is really cool. Then you have a charger at the other side. So you can charge this thing up. You can also, plug in a headphone if you want to. And that's kind of it. But you also have this little port here that basically connects it to your device. Now I have the Lightning model here, and I have not connected it yet to my iPhone 13. So to connect it, you basically want to align the charging port on one side to the other port on the other side. So you can see right here, typically what I do is I go through and I just slide it in on one side, just like this. I raise the other side out of the way like this. I drop it and then I try to find the ports this way. And then when you connect it, you'll hear a little click and your phone should be good to go and it should be connected. Now, when you first connect it, it'll show you this little pop-up where it tells you the app's not installed. What you want to do is you want to click on the App Store button and you want to download the Backbone 1 controller. So right here is the Backbone controller application. You can go ahead and download it and it will automatically download this particular application for you. Now, if it doesn't pop up automatically when you go through and download it or when you insert it, you can also just search up the Backbone Next Level Play application and it will also give you the same type of experience. So you can do either way, but that's kind of the two ways to kind of do it. So give it just a little bit of time for it to fully install, and then once it's fully installed, you'll be good to go. So now it's going to automatically open up the controller app for you. I'm surprised it doesn't automatically open it up this way. Okay, so it finally did. Then it'll bring you into the app. Now you can sign in with your Apple ID. In this case, you can go and just sign in with your Apple account. So just click on here, sign in with your password as always. And then after it goes through and verifies your account, it's going to ask you to pick your username. So you can pick whatever username that you want. And it's also going to allow you to kind of go through here and pick your emoji. So you can go through and pick your emoji if you want to. And then you can stay up to date if you want. You can do this later. And then it'll show you the basics. So press the Backbone button to get started. So you can click right here to go and get started. And then it's going to allow you to basically just learn more about these types of things. But if you're ready to go, you don't even have to worry about it anymore. Now, the cool thing about this controller is that you can go and kind of, go inside of any game that you want to that supports this type of controller and go and start using it. So I don't even know if I have any games that support this controller, but if I do, you can start using this thing whichever way you want to. And it's something that's actually really awesome. And like I said, this is a dedicated button. So you can tap on this button and it will bring you right back into your panel right here. And that is something that you can actually kind of do. So it'll bring you back here to this way. But that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. I'd recommend charging it every once in a while, but at the core, that's basically how you can use your Backbone 1 controller. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.